Porsche Stuttgart is a new showroom. The stars are from the Porsche lover to Porsche lover. Our chairman, Kun Somkiat, he is more passionate in the brand Porsche, and he want to build the showroom for the lover Porsche.
So we started this installation following the design. So we supported Treason, that is actually managing all the design of Porsche stores worldwide, globally. Our amplifiers need to be approved by them. They need to have the evidence of our technologies and of the advantages that we can provide.
The first task that was given to us because of the interior design. So we did choose Powersoft because we fully remote control using Crestron.
We use the Powersoft amplifier, around 3 units for the whole 30 speaker in the showroom.
The Ottocanali series was the best choice. With 8 channels, you can manage asymmetrically the power. This means that you connect different type of speakers and create the zones according to the needs.
We only need to use 3 units to cover all 9 zones. As you can see in the showroom, it's not really a flat ceiling. All the different sections for different cars, we can actually be very precise.
They need to control sound and audio by the iPad, one remote for the whole 9 zone in the showroom.
The staff is happy because its function is very easy to use. It's not complicated.
A key point in this installation was the efficiency. So thanks to our technology, the smart rail management and the energy save, we are able to actually reduce a lot the project cost, especially in stores like this that must be open all days and of course for the entire years. Our technology is capable to dramatically reduce the energy consumption of the amplifiers. This is not needed. So for the end user, for the final client, this is a big advantage because he can have the real evidence of cost saving just because he chooses Powersoft.
For us, we have no problem working with Powersoft. It's a great company, great technologies. We get very good support from them. So that's why for us, it's definitely a good partnership.
The client, the customer were very happy when they came here. It's a new CI Porsche, new visual and the sound system in the customer lounge. Customer received the good experience.